This is just going to be a quick video showing you how to finish a HifiVega wire kit. We'll start with the way that I actually cut the Tech-Flex. The way I do it is using a hot knife. Most of you will not have a hot knife, and that's absolutely fine. I'm going to show you how to do it with just a simple pair of scissors. So before we get to that, let's kind of look at the end and show you what you get with a hot knife. When you finish with a hot knife, you get this nice burned edge that's not going to fray on you. And that's really nice to have. But the fact is, most of you are not going to have a hot knife, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to finish it out at home with a pair of scissors and a little bit of electrical tape. When you get a HifiVega Big 3 kit, you're going to get one 5-foot piece of ground strap right here. What you're going to need to do is cut this to length. So of course you'll have one side as your battery ground, the other side will be from your alternator bracket to the chassis or your engine block to the chassis, whichever way you want to do it, and you'll just cut this to length. Now when you cut it, here's what's going to happen. Let's show you live with this extra piece of wire I have here. Let me also give you a quick little bonus tip here. When you're sliding on and off Tech-Flex, if you're doing this at home, push it one end, let it bunch up, and then you can smooth it on like this. Makes it much easier. And then in this case, if you just want to take a whole piece off, pretty easy to do that. Alright, so we're going to cut a fresh spot off. We'll go ahead and slide it down to wherever we need it to be. And we'll say that that's the spot that we want it. Just take a piece of electrical tape. Gonna just wrap it right around there, nice and tight. And then that will allow us to slide on our heat shrink easily. No worrying about the Tech-Flex frame because you cut it with scissors and you got a nice professional clean look. And that's how you finish a HifiVega Big 3 kit. I know some folks are confused when they receive just 2 pieces of wire in the kit, but the reason is you're going to cut down for your battery and for your chassis ground, so it's just simpler to send it and do it this way. I hope this was a helpful video for you guys, and if you need a Big 3 kit, HifiVega.com. I've got you covered. Anything from mild to wild, from stock to custom. So I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next how-to.